scrolling through pages, watching, liking and commenting on videos. These are the things we do on a daily basis that sometimes waste our time. But what if I told you that by simply doing all of those things, you could earn money? Follow all of these basic activities on your smartphone in only a few minutes per day, and you'll be able to earn real money online over and over again, which is incredible. That is why, in order to earn money, I want you to watch this video until the finish, because if you skip some sections, you'll miss out on the tips and tactics that I will share with you. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Like this video, share this to all your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Returning to the video, I'd like you to have a look of these 4 different approaches that you can generate on this website. As you can see, you may access to numerous websites and watch various videos and advertising. You can also live an interaction on social media, which means you can be compensated simply by liking or sharing a video. As you can see, methods 2 and 3 can be completed in the majority of cases through basic engagements like liking a video or leaving a comment remarks. Moving on to the technique number 3, we can conduct some short surveys that are easy to complete and suitable for beginners. I'll show you a number of instances later. But the final solutions allows you to purchase online at a variety of retailers. Make sure to watch until the end so that I can reveal the website's name to you. Also, don't forget that at the end of this video, I have a special bonus and surprise in store for you. And this surprise will help you earn an extra $50 every day. So don't miss out on it and don't skip any parts. Anyway, as you can see right here, you can do it on any device you have, including your phone, computer, tablet, and other gadgets. And then you can start generating money online. You can rest confident that this method works in any country and does not necessitate any expenditure. As you can see, there are several ways to earn money on this website, and you can use any of these 4 alternatives to fulfill orders or begin working on the job you've been handed. To start earning money, go to step 3 and they'll send you a payout every time you reach a certain threshold, allowing you to get paid every day within 24 hours using this brand new website. Right now, all you have to do is click on the registration icon up above and it'll take you to this page where you can create a new account and begin earning. To log into your new account, simply fill in your email address and password. Then click the next button. So right here on the dashboard, you can see your estimated profits or your estimated earnings because this is a new account and we haven't finished any assignments yet. But don't worry, as soon as you start making money, it will appear on your dashboard. And the first thing you should do is verify your email address. Check your email inboxes after entering a valid email address. This business will send you a verification email, which you must click in order to activate your account and starting earning money. Now I'd like you to click on this icon on the left, which will take you to a website where you can choose one of the 5 techniques I taught you. Now I'm going to teach you the first option, which is to earn money by watching videos on the website and clicking on various advertisements. Simply click on this button to begin earning money. And it'll take you to this page where you can see that we can start earning money by browsing various advertisements. As you can see, a new window will open, and you can browse this website until the timer runs out, which is only a few seconds. All you have to do is browse through these pages and move around, rather than staying on the same page to demonstrate that you are not a robot. They will credit the money to your account if you pass, and they will tell you the name of the website as well as your winnings. If you wish to close this advertisement, simply click the close button, but you will be wasting your time and not collecting any money. So as you can see, this is a very typical mistake to avoid. Let me give you an example when you click on the Earn button right here. They may redirect you to a random YouTube video like this one. Simply press the play button to start watching the video and make sure you stay until the timer runs out. This is important because if you stop watching the video before the timer runs out, you will not be paid. Simply press the play button to start watching the video. Then go to the settings to change the video quality to 144 pixels or 144p to watch it faster and save data on your internet connection. So if you want to get some additional cash, make sure you hit the like or share buttons on the video. As you can see, they'll show you the YouTube URL link, which you can copy and paste on other social media networks to earn extra money for leaving those engagements. This website's name is Zariklamy.com or Zariklamy.com, and you can visit it here or simply download this app to your phone. Go to the Google Play Store and look for the logo that looks like this with the name Zariklamy or their Clammy Earn Money Online free app. You can download it and start making money right away. Allow me to explain this bonus strategy on their Clammy. As you can see, all you have to do is refer a friend to the website and you'll get an extra $12 commission. Now all you have to do is copy your unique referral link from this page and share or show it to others, and you'll have our second source of money. So, as promised, if you stick with me until the finish, I'll teach you how to earn an additional $50 every day. Now go to Coinbase.com, and once you're there, this is what it looks like, as suggested by the statement, "Earn free money while learning about crypto." This website will provide a free lesson as well as a number of free courses in the form of videos. Every time we watch a video and finish all of these courses, we will be paid additional money. You can see the varying sums for each video you watch here, and it adds up to a substantial sum of money. Now, if you scroll down below, you'll find that there are a variety of starting classes with a range of courses that not only teach you about cryptos, but also pay you for watching the video. You can simply keep doing this and watching videos and courses on this website. You might even make an extra $40 by simply inviting your friends to do so. You can simply return here and study different courses, repeating the procedure and earning money over and over. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring the notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.